You've done months of workouts and no visible changes. You're about to give up. Don't! The problem is two training principles you're not using. I use these to get my clients amazing results. Use them in your next workout and your body will finally start to change. When working out, most people move too fast and let momentum work instead of using the right muscles. You need to slow it down and control every rep. Think about initiating the movement with that intended target muscle, not just moving the weight from point A to point B. Try this next time you work out. Have a 4-second lift, pause at the peak contraction, and then lower for 4 seconds. Pause at the bottom for 1 second and repeat. That pause challenges your focus and control and impacts your muscles more than you realize. That's tempo training, and that can make a huge difference in how your muscles respond no matter what weight you have. It's also a way to make lighter weights much heavier by slowing down that movement. Tempo is the cheat code for light weights. Perfectly executed repetitions force your muscles to change faster. Your mind quits long before your muscles do. Your brain actually signals you to stop before your muscles are finished, but you can usually push a little bit more. The repetitions that truly trigger change are the ones that you do after you start to struggle, but only if your form stays perfect. When you think you've hit failure, use the rest pause technique. Here's how you use that. When you hit failure, take 2 breaths and try for 2 more repetitions. Repeat once more to add additional challenge, but the moment your form starts to fade, that set is over. Learn to challenge yourself safely, and your body will respond with changes. You now have the best tweaks to start seeing changes and make light weights more challenging. If these strategies are helping you uncover some hidden mistakes, then hit the like button. Want more detail on these techniques? Comment below and I'll make a follow-up. And remember, any questions you have in the comments, I'm happy to answer. And if you need a custom program, my link is in the description for Zoom sessions.